Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Carfix. Another cooler. Another cooler was blown by a fast loop blaze. The customer went to change her oil at a fast loop blaze, and after she left, car overheated. Coolant was mixing with oil. The oil cooler basically was mixing the oil and the coolant because they blow one of those cooler jackets or cooler lines, whatever you call it, and this is what the result is. New cooler. They are going to pay for this. The fast loop blaze admit guilt, and they torqued it. They admit that they torqued the cap too far, new employee, and they agreed to pay for the job. Now we were there. We decided to do the spark plugs. We did the spark plugs. We found two holes has oil in them, so the gasket on this valve cover was leaking. So guys, if you try to take this cover off and it won't come out, you got a sensor right here. You see the bolt on top of it, the Hicks bolt. If you don't take that out, this cover is not coming out. This cover will not come out. So just so you know, this goes all the way through. So I took all the bolts out, and that was giving me problems because I got used to the older models don't have this. This one was a bolt in there. If you don't take it out, you're not taking that cover and replacing the gasket. So we'll replace all the gaskets on it, the grommets for the spark plugs holes, and for the while we were there, we replaced all of the gasket that were in our way. So it's all good. Again, valve cover gasket will not come out without taking the other side. There's one right there too. See that? Right there. That one. Take the bolts out. A little Hicks bolt. And then you'll be able to take the valve cover gaskets off. And there's, you got two brackets. It'll be good if you loosen them up a little bit. I just loosened those two brackets right here, and that makes it easy to come out and do the job. If you're doing this oil cooler, if you're doing the job while you're there, do yourself a favor and change your spark plugs, especially if they've been there more than 60,000-70,000 miles. Go ahead and do that. It'll save you a lot of time in the future. Right now, everything's so accessible, so do it while you're there. Thank you for watching my video. Please, 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 again, I say this a million times, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.